We are here today on the state's suit affecting the parent-child relationship for one child. They're both parties present, Judge, and we are ready to proceed with a final order. Your Honor, we have a partial agreement today. Parties each disagree with the child support amount being proposed and the retroactive child support.
Okay.
I'd like to state the agreement, Judge, and then take testimony from each part.
May.
Thank you. Judge, there is one child of the case, Anaya Francis, who's 12 years old. The order finds that Mr. Anthony Francis is the child's father and he has the duty of support. Parties agree to be appointed joint managing conservators of the child with the mother as the primary parent. She will have the exclusive right to designate the primary residence of the child within Dallas or contiguous counties. Parties agree to a standard possession and visitation schedule for the child. Parties also agree that Ms. Clark will be ordered to maintain the child on a government medical assistance program moving forward. As such, parties agree that Mr. Francis shall be ordered to pay cash medical support of $30 monthly, Judge, beginning May 1st, 2025. Mr. Francis does have two other biological children for whom he owes a duty of support. Your Honor, based on information that Mr. Francis has provided, he's requesting he be ordered to pay guideline child support based on his current income of $173 per month, Judge. That does give him
that
credit.
173, Mr. Dale?
Yes.
Okay.
That does give him credit for his two other children. As far as and Miss Clark, Judge, will be asking for a different amount. As far as retroactive support is concerned, the state has calculated retroactive support of $9,515 for essentially the past 4 years to be paid at $100 monthly beginning May 1st. Mother agrees to that amount. Father is asking something else, Judge. Neither party is requesting a non-disclosure. The state's requesting court costs be billed to the father. Those are the terms, Judge. May I call? I'll call Mother first.
You may.
Ms. Clark, what is your full name?
Alisa Clark.
Okay. And did you hear the terms of the agreed portions of the order that I stated to the court a moment ago?
Yes.
Do you understand all of those terms?
I do.
And you agree with all of those terms except for the $173 child support amount. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know if Mr. Francis is currently employed?
No, I don't know.
Do you have any personal knowledge of what he does for income at this time?
Yeah, he has a trucking company and he owns his own truck and he does loads, shipping.
Okay. Do you know the name of this company?
I think it's Franchise 360 LLC.
And how long do you, and this is Mr. Francis's company, you believe? He is the owner, operator, CEO, correct?
Yes, he is.
And to your knowledge, how long has he had this company?
A year and a half, maybe 2 years.
And you said he owns his own truck?
Yes.
Is it a semi truck or a box truck?
It's a semi truck.
Does he have a CDL?
Yes.
To your knowledge, does Mr. Francis travel interstate to different states with these loads?
No.
He works in Texas exclusively?
Yes.
And before he had this company, What kind of work was he doing?
He was driving trucks still just for other companies.
How long has he been driving trucks? Do you know?
5 years,
Do you know how long he's owned his current truck?
maybe 2 years.
And you have any personal knowledge of how much money Mr. Francis makes driving trucks?
No.
And you understand that Mr. Francis will be testifying here in a minute, and he will testify that he makes maybe $300 a week driving trucks. You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, and you disagree with the court calculating child support based on that amount, correct?
Definitely disagree.
Okay. How much are you asking Mr. Francis to be ordered to pay in child support
1,000.
per month?
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand that according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, that the median average for a heavy tractor trailer truck driver in Dallas is $27.12? Do you understand that?
Yes.
You also understand that for the same location for Dallas County, that the median average for a light truck driver is $21.25. You understand that?
Yes.
You understand if the court were to base his income off either of those numbers, it would be less than $1,000. You understand that?
Okay.
Are you still asking for $1,000 that
Yes.
Mr. Francis be ordered to pay?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Have you ever seen the truck that Mr. Francis owns?
Yes.
When was the last time you saw it?
Oh, maybe last week. I screen recorded it. He was
Where did
driving
you see it?
on Instagram. He was doing
Okay.
a little.
Have you ever seen it in person?
No, I haven't seen him in person in years.
Have you ever seen Mr. Francis or seen the truck in years?
Either. Neither.
Okay. And in the past 4 years, has Mr. Francis paid you any money directly for Anaya?
Never.
He hasn't paid you anything in the past 4 years.
No, never in her life.
Has he bought things for Anaya and given them to you in the past 4 years?
No. If he buys something for her, she has to keep it at his house.
So you're asking that the court order a retroactive child support judgment against Mr. Francis in the amount of $9,515, correct?
Yes.
And do you have any safety concerns with having your home address included in the order today?
No.
I passed the witness, Judge. I'd like to call the father.
You may.
Thank you. Mr. Francis, what is your full name?
Anthony Francis.
Mr. Francis, did you hear the agreed portions of the order that I stated to the court previously?
Yes.
Okay. And you understand all of those terms?
Yes.
And you agree with everything that I stated, except for the retroactive child support amount, correct?
Most definitely.
Okay. And you're asking the court, well, we'll get into that. Are you currently employed?
Yes.
And where do you work?
I have my own truck.
Okay. Do you have your own trucking company as well?
Yes, I have an LLC, but it's not active right now. Like my DOT and MC number and stuff, that's not active. So like I move people, like charity. I move like loads for like different charities and stuff. Like I my own work, but not like off a load board or anything.
Okay. Are you currently working for a company?
Yes.
What's the name of the company?
Pronto.
Okay. How long have you worked for Pronto?
About 2 weeks.
Are you a W-2 employee or a 1099?
No, 1099.
And can you tell the court what you do for pronto? What kind of loads you handle?
Just pick up maybe like a pallet or two and just drop it off at different warehouses around the Metroplex.
So you exclusively work around the Metroplex and the Metroplex?
Mm-hmm.
Yes?
Yes.
You do. Okay.
And what were you doing before pronto?
Cement with Starbucks or PX Transportation.
How long did you work for them?
A year.
And why did you stop working with them?
It just the money was I wasn't making any money with them. It's kind of based off of the weather. If it's raining, then don't work. If it's like wet, you don't work. So it's like I wasn't making anything. That's why I went and got the box truck. But that's kind of like the same. And then I have expenses with the box truck that goes into play as far as like insurance, fuel, maintenance. So it's not as lucrative as, one may on the outside looking in may think.
Okay, so with pronto, how much do you make per week?
Right now, 600 every 2 weeks.
So you make about $300 a week.
Yeah, yeah.
And what is that after expenses?
No, that's the gross. Yeah,
$300 a week before any expense.
no, 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 no. It, I just got one check with them. It was $700, and that was for one. Now, yeah, that was for 1 week. That was for 1 week.
$700 for 1 week.
Yeah,
Is that how much you average with pronto?
I just started, so I can't tell you. That was just 1 week.
How many weeks did you work for pronto?
2,
Okay, the first week you worked for them, how much did you make?
$700.
How much did you make the second week?
I haven't got it yet. I don't know. I don't know until we don't know our lows. They don't tell us how much is getting paid or anything. We don't know.
When will you get paid for your second week?
Friday.
How many loads did you drive the first week with pronto?
10.
10?
Yeah,
How many loads did you drive the second week for pronto?
about 10.
Okay, so would you expect to make about $700 for the second week as well?
It goes based off of distance. Like they tell me, we don't know because it's all based on the customer, the distance, how fast they want it there, the window, 3 hour, 5 hour window, the end of the day, all of that factors into how much they pay for
Okay.
each load.
And you own your own truck, correct?
Correct.
What kind of truck is it?
It's a box truck. It's not a semi truck.
Okay. Why do you believe Miss Clark thinks it's a semi truck?
She doesn't know. Like she said, we don't talk. I've tried to talk to her. I've even tried to call her. She ignores me. She we just. But
Okay.
she doesn't know anything besides probably what she
Objection,
sees.
non-responsive after I don't know.
Objection sustained. Mr. Francis, just answer the questions that he asked you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. May proceed, Mr. Dell.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Francis, you understand that if the judge orders your child support based on $700 a week as a 1099, that your child support calculation would be $385 per month. You understand that?
Yes.
Would you agree to 385?
No.
What are you asking the court to set your child support at today?
At the 170 because I just started this and I 170. What we first initially talked about.
What city do you live in?
I stay in Grand Prairie.
Okay. Do you live alone?
No, I stay with my mother.
Is it a house or an apartment?
It's a house.
Do you pay her any rent?
Oh, when I can.
When was the last time you paid her rent?
I paid her 2 months ago.
How much did you pay her 2 months ago?
I gave her $300.
And do you make payments on your truck that you own?
No, I don't.
You bought your truck in cash?
It was given like a business deal with like a business partner of mine. So it's my truck, but I didn't pay for it though.
You didn't pay any money for it whatsoever.
No, it was like a gift, and so on the back it was an investment that it's for me to work with it and give them a return of investment.
So do you pay your friend money that you earn from this job?
I have here and there, but I'm trying to get in the business and find my niche with the truck so I can make some money. But you know, it's kind of hard, but you just got to keep trying. But I haven't got there yet.
Is your friend a part management of Pronto, this company you work for?
No. Mm-mm.
Okay. Do you have a personal vehicle?
Yes.
What's a personal vehicle?
Dodge Durango.
Do you pay payments on that?
No.
You own that vehicle?
Yes.
What year is that vehicle?
2014.
Did you buy that in cash in 2014?
No, I didn't.
And do you have a cell phone bill?
Yes.
How much do you pay for that per month?
$300.
And you have two other children, correct?
Correct.
Do you pay child support for those children?
No, I don't.
Either of those
But
kids live with you?
yes, my 9-year-old, she lives with me full time. I have her all the time. Take her to school every day. She lives with me. Yeah,
With you and your mother, correct?
correct.
Okay. In the past 4 years, have you paid any money directly to Miss Clark for Anaya?
No, I have not. That's not how we ever since she was born. What she gets them is at her house. What I get them is at my house. It's always been like that between us. And I
Okay.
get
When was the last time she spent the night at your house?
um probably in January or February. That was like the last time I've seen them.
Okay. And you're in disagreement to pay retroactive child support of $9,515, correct?
Correct. Yes.
Are you asking the court to order you to pay $0 in retroactive support?
Yes. $0.
Can you tell the court why?
Because I've been there for my daughter and Mrs. Clark's other daughter from day one. Every time I get my daughter, I get her daughter. I pay their phone bill. I get their hair done. I buy them shoes, clothes, get them on the holidays. Not only for Anaya, but also her other ones from forever. For the last 4 years, 2012, 2011, when my daughter wasn't even born yet. Like I've been there for both of them. So no, I definitely don't think I should pay anything.
Miss Clark's other daughter, Mr. Francis, is she your biological daughter?
No, she's not.
Do
But
you have any safety concerns with having your home address included in the order today?
no,
I passed the witness, Judge.
Mr. Francis, how often do you get them?
whenever she allows me to.
And about how often is that?
Literally, whenever she allows me to.
Okay, when she allows me to, is not an answer that I can do
okay.
anything with. How
But
often? Do you get them once a month? Do you get them once every 3 months? Do you get them once every 6 months? About how
oh
often
no,
do you get them?
sometimes every weekend. But ma'am, they're kids and they're with their mother. If she's not allowing me to get them, what can I do?
I'm not saying that you're wrong for not getting them. I'm asking you a question. How often do you get them?
I try to get them for 2 times a month. 2 times a month. I get through her grandmother, through Mrs. Clark's mom.
Okay. So you get them,
Or lately, like last year, I was picking them up from school on Fridays. That's new because normally I get them from the grandparents all the time. But just last year, I was getting them from school, both of them.
okay. Thank you, Mr. Francis. Ms. Clark, how often does Mr. Francis get the girls?
He'll get them maybe every 6 to 8 weeks, once for a weekend. And usually when he gets them, they don't stay with him. They stay with his mom, and he doesn't live with his mom. He lives with his dad in another city.
Okay, and so he says he buys things for both girls. Does he leave those things wherever he lives instead of sending them to your house?
The last time he bought something for them was on Christmas. He usually buys them things on their birthdays, but he does not buy them things. He can't name anything that he's bought them. I guarantee he doesn't have a pair of clothes in their size at all.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Dell, is there anything else?
Nothing from the stage.
Can you tell me what the child support would be if for a lightweight truck for the 21-25?
Yes, that is $463 child support.
So I will accept the agreed portions of this order, make the agreed portions the order of the court. I will order child support at $463 per month. Order a retroactive child support judgment of $9,515. Order that judgment be paid at $100 per month. Is that it, Mr. Dale? That was the only thing I needed to.
Yes, Your Honor, just the retro and the current support. Everything else was agreed.
Okay, so that's my ruling. Now that I've made my ruling, I'm not the last word on this. If you don't agree with it, if you think it's not fair, or you just don't like it, you have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. This is out of the 301st District Court. That's Judge Mary Brown, and that's who you would appeal to. Do either one of you have any questions?
No.
Okay, then thank you for appearing here today, and you're both free to go.